If you've been following along on US30 with the post that I've been posting on Instagram, you remember that we were interested in looking for shorts from the daily fair value gap, ultimately expecting price to have a turnaround, giving us a monthly rollover. However, we were also okay with the fact that price could create new higher highs because of the fact that the daily and the weekly time frame itself are yet bullish. However, price did play out this week as we expected it to. However, without much development towards the end of the week. So we did pull back into our area of value with a drop of 6 to 700 pips and ultimately going into back into a consolidation. I'm still keeping an eye for shorts. However, the ideal scenario would be for the price to break either this high right here at around 49,896 to look for longs, and break below 49,000 will entice shorts. As of now, I am staying away as price is again consolidating, and whichever direction it happens to break, that will be the direction that I will most likely be interested in trading. And of course, nothing can be said yet. We'll monitor as price moves. At the moment is in a ranging market condition, so nothing on US30 as of yet. Looking at Bitcoin, there wasn't much development. I am interested in looking for longs, however, structure remains bearish. We started to see some improvement. We created that low, potential higher low, another higher low right here. If you want to confirm longs, you do want to wait for the price to break above 70,941. Until then, price remains bearish, with the possible target projection into 76,000 before providing us with some sort of bearish reaction to ultimately get into 80,000 to then possibly see a rollover to the downside of around 25,000 pips into 56,000. That's something that we'll reassess when if price gets over here. At the moment, structure remains bearish. I am favoring longs, but it is ideal for you to be waiting for either that low to break or that high to confirm which side price wants to move towards. At the moment is pretty much in a ranging market condition as well, just like US30, and there isn't much to be said in the first place. That's it for Bitcoin and US30. Because of how the pair looks like, they're both going sideways. I'll be uploading another video with the possible pairs that I am personally interested in and their outlook for the week ahead. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.